Hey guys, today let's learn how to add contact widget to your iOS 17 home screen. So if you like to go ahead and add this widgets of your contacts app to your iOS 17 home screens. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys and show you guys how, so please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Okay guys, so what we need to do first is to do a quick long press on our screens and tap on this plus icon so that we can enter the widget section. I want you to scroll down until you see the contacts application, and that should be located somewhere here, right there. So tap on that, and you can see the widgets that is available on the contacts app. So we do have three. The first one is just a small square, larger square, and an even larger square. So whichever one you choose, all we need to do is just tap on the one that we prefer. Tap on it, widget is automatically gonna be added to your home screen like that. So tap on done. And what this switch is gonna do is it just showcases your top contacts on this section. You can easily go and just tap on that person to send them a message, call, or whatever one you'd like. And that's how you guys could use and add the contact widget over onto your iOS 17 home screen. Anyways, for watching, please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.